Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create new Gmail account on your Android. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here if you bought a new phone like this is a brand new phone and you can't download anything from Google Play here, then what you need to do here is you have to create a new Gmail account. So to create a new Gmail account, I'm going to show you in this video how you can do this. As you can see here, you have to go to Play Store here. Just go to Play Store, and after going to Play Store you have to click on sign in option here. So after clicking to the sign in option here, this type of interface will be pop up. So make sure that you are connected with your Wi-Fi or your data connection, and then here here you can see create account option will be available here. Simply you need to click on create account, and here you can see for myself and for my child. So if you are an adult, if you are an 18 plus, then you just click on for myself, and if you are a parent, then you can go for my child. So let me just go for for myself. And here you can see first name. So what you need to do here, the first name, so let me just show you what you have to do. You can just give your first name. So let me just give Tips Mac, okay, and then here click on next option, and then this type of interface will be pop up basic information. So here you have to enter your birth date. So let me just enter my birth date. So as you can see here, let me just go for February 26, 1998. Okay, and then here you can see gender. So if you are a male, you can go for male. If you are a female, go for female. So I'm a male, so let me just go for male and click on next option. And here you can see you can choose any of the Gmail. You can see you can just customize it. You can create your own. If you click on this create your own Gmail, then you can create your Gmail. So I'm not gonna create, just click on this second tipsmate. You can see here tipsmate 2294@gmail.com. now click on next option here, and then here you can see password. So you have to enter any of the password. So let me enter my password. So here I have successfully entered my password, and then you have to swipe up, and here you can see yes I am in option. Just click here, okay, and then here this is Tips Mac. This is the Gmail I have created. Just click on next, scroll up, and here again I agree option. Just wait for a while, click on more, again accept it, and then wait for a while. And then guys, this is how you can do it. Just wait and watch. This is now you can see we can just download anything you want. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So guys, thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.